Hello, this is the lesson number 3, and today you learn how to type on the keyboard using the software Clavara. I hope you have learned the different parts of the keyboard and the special function of some keys. I present to you a questionnaire and you have to answer each question according to the information I'm going to tell you. You can stop playing the video if needed. First of all, you have to access on Schoology. Enter to computer class. There you'll find a software called Clavara for typing. Click on the software and download it. After downloading the software, open it and follow the instructions. I'm gonna show you how to find the software if you can't find it. For example, go to Google Chrome. There in the menu, go to download or descargas if you have the software in Spanish. You'll find the software Clavaro and show the folder or mostrar carpeta in this case. So you have here the software Clavaro and double click, ejecutar in this case. ¿Quieres permitir que esa aplicación de un editor desconocido realice cambios en su dispositivo? Yes. Say yes. Continue. Okay. Next. Now next. Install. Complete. Once you have installed the program, open Clavaro on the desktop. We'll set the language and the keyboard. In this case, we're going to set it in English and the keyboard of España. Why España? Because we need the letter ñ. And remember that we speak English, but we speak Spanish too. And in this case, the letter ñ doesn't exist in English. Click on Introduction. Okay. Now we have a new window here. To position the hands. Correct positioning of the hands and fingers is very important to efficient typing. You will learn faster and type better if you follow the next recommendations. You can see the alphanumeric keys in this side. If I press the letter J, it shows the right index finger. Step 1. The index fingertips rest over each of the two keys which have small raised mark in the center of the keyboard. Okay, you can see here the letter F and the letter J. Okay, they have to be pressed by the index finger. These marks function as tactile hooks for your fingers to remain at the correct position. Step 2. The tips of the other fingers lie naturally beside the index ones, over the keys on the same row of the keyboard. I am going to press the letter A. So here you can read small finger. Letter S, ring finger. Letter D, the middle finger. They are the keys that have to be pressed by the left hand. So what's happened with the right hand? Well, here I'm going to press the letter K and it is with the middle finger. Letter L with the ring finger and the letter ñ with the small finger. Step 3. The outside edge of your thumbs rests over the space bar. The part of the hands closest to the wrist. The base rests over the table, outside the keyboard. Without this kind of support, the arms will quickly tire. Step 4. This is referred to as the hand position for the hands. From it, the fingers move all over the keyboard reaching all the keys as naturally and quickly as possible. To reach this goal, one uses a specific relation between each key and finger. This relation will be learned gradually as you complete the basic course. Memorize the location of every letter. Yes? So, if this is in purple, we have it in here, the letter S, the letter G, F, J, K, L, N. Each key goes according to each finger. Remember, small finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, and the thumbs of the left hand and the right hand. Step 5. When learning the relation between fingers and keys, it is very important that you only move the finger which must press the key and allow all other fingers to remain in the home position. After memorizing the relationship, you can relax the previous rule sum so that you can attain greater speed while typing. Go ahead. You should be prepared to start training with the basic course. It will take effort and patience to be successful as a typist. We trust you have this and look forward to your success. First of all, I recommend you to learn the location of every letter. In this case, we don't need to learn the numbers again because we have it from 1 to 0, okay? But what happened with the letters? They are located in a different position. Remember when you were learning the alphabet, you learned it like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, etc. But in this situation, you have to learn again. For example, here we have Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P, A, S, D, F, G, H, J, L, N, Z, X, C, V, B, N, M. If you do this, you will improve your typing really fast. Now let's go to the basic course. Here you see the letter J and the letter F. I'm going to show you the keyboard again, okay? And we're going to identify the fingers that we need to use. Letter J is this, so we need the right index finger. And the letter F, the left index finger. Okay, I'm going to keep the hands clicking here. Start typing when you are ready. Okay, I am ready. Let's go. J, F, J, F, F, space. J, J, F, J, F, space. J, F, F, J, F, space. J, J, F, F, J, space. J, F, J, F, F, space. J, F, J, J, F, space. J, F, F, J, J, space. F, F, J, J, F, space. J, F, J, F, J. Next line. F, F, J, J, F, space. F, J, J, F, F, space. J, J, F, F, J, space. F, J, J, F, F, space. J, J, F, J, F, space. J, F, J, F, F, space. J, F. Oh, I made a mistake. I pressed F instead J. It doesn't matter. F, F, J, space. F, J, J, F, F, space. J, F, J, F, J. Next line. F, J, F, J, J, space. F, J, F, J, F, space. J, F, F, J, J, space. F, F, J, FJ space Jeff J sorry FJFF space JJFJF space FJJFJ space. This is funny, huh? FFJJF space FJJFF. Next line. JJFFJ space FJJFJ space FFJFJ space JFJFJ space FJFJFJ space JFJFJ space FFJFJ space JFFJJ space FFJJF. Next line. Wow, I finished. I'm going to close this and read here. Statistic, elapsed time 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Error ratio, it was 1 error. Accuracy 99.5% and goal 95%. Comment, alright, now you got it. Go to the next lesson. You can repeat the lesson if you're not happy with the result. Yeah. In my case, I am happy. Yeah. I just made a mistake here, the letter J, because I pressed F. But this is the purpose, to learn how to use the keyboard. Yeah. I just used the index finger, the right hand and the left hand. Okay. So in this case, okay, don't close this picture. For me, I think it is really big, so I'm going to change the size of the letter, maybe in 18. I'm going to apply it. Okay, like that. Okay, now you're going to take a screenshot, but how? Here I have the picture of the keyboard, and with this key you're going to press it for taking a screenshot. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. But wait, if it is 1, 2, 3. Good. Now open Paint and paste the result. You have to send me this result to Schoology. Okay, I'm going to check. You can repeat the exercise you want. The second option is to take a picture with your cell phone and send me on Schoology. This is the lesson number 2. You're gonna do the same exercise. When you finished, please take a picture of your result. And the same thing with the lesson number 3. So what is the difference between these exercises? It is the position of the fingers. Yeah. In this case, we're going to use letter L. It is okay, the ring finger, and the letter S, the other ring finger. Okay. So you're gonna do the same exercises. Okay, you can keep the hand here. The lesson number 3 with the lesson number 4. Okay, with the small fingers here. Yeah. Lesson number 5. Using which letters? Letter S, A, D, F, and A. Now there are a combination with this letter. Okay, just complete with the lesson number 5, and we're gonna continue the next week with the other lessons. So thank you very much. I hope you can understand this software and you can improve your typing. If you have any question, just let me know. See you soon.